In this video, we will cover creating an estimate that will then appear on the calendar and also show in the mobile app for the technician to service. First, go to your settings. Create a service that is called Estimate, and I've already done so. I've created one for commercial pest control and monthly pest control. I'll actually edit this to state residential. So we have an estimate for residential monthly pest control. I put in some service details and the estimate is at a zero price. I'll go ahead and update that. So if you charge for estimates, put a price there, otherwise just zero that out. Once that is completed, go to your Sales tab and Estimates. Generate a new estimate by creating a new estimate with the Create Estimate button. Select the customer, so I will say commercial food plant, and this is just an example. We have the estimate date. I'll pick the date plus the expiration date. I'll put out, let's say 1 month. And if there's a purchase order number, you can enter that here. And then the description is going to be estimate, we'll say commercial pest control. We'll say that this will be a monthly service of $500 each month. And the service plan details you can view by clicking and dragging this box down, and it will show you everything. So right now, I'll say in the estimate this includes 12 services per year at $500 per month. And I can then assign a tax rate, a discount, all of the taxes there, plus a memo. Once this is completed, I hit save. My brand new estimate appears here, but as it stands, it does not have an associated work order with it. So now I will hit the edit button, and I'm going to change the status temporarily to accepted. Once I do that, it will initiate the system to create a work order, and then I go back to the status, change it back to pending. Once that is set, I have my estimate with associated work order, and I can click the work order number to then put it on a schedule. I will assign this to the guest technician, and I'll set the service date as of today. I'll take it out of the work pool, put it on the calendar for the current time. I can assign a commission. We'll assign the guest technician 25% and the zero out this work order. However, I will in fact give the technician a $100 production value, so the commission is based on 25% of that production value. And then the service instructions are in fact the details of the estimate. So estimate for all right, and then from here I can hit save. Once that's done, when the technician opens up their appointments on the mobile app, and I refresh the screen, it shows here right on the mobile app, commercial food plant estimate, commercial pest control. The technician can then open up this service and generate details. So when they arrived, Also, notes that they might take. So these are just going to be test notes. So these could be location notes or possibly indicating a discussion that they have with the customer. The customer can then sign off. We'll do the tech and then the customer. And once that is done, I change this to complete. Save this. Estimate is completed. Now that that is associated, technician indicates in the notes that the estimate is accepted. The office staff can review the estimates here and change the status from pending to accepted. Hit save, and that is done.